Hi, this is Sumit, and I'm from Indian Institute of E-commerce. I have a plug-and-play ready-made business opportunity. Think of this as a franchise that you can start, which is ready to scale and ready to make money. And this is a business of Indian bakery products that we can export from India to the international market. Your investment is next to zero in terms of buying the product or packaging or anything or branding, nothing like that. The only thing you have to do is run the store and make profits by doing the B2B sales. That's all you have to do. So even if you're running any business today or you are having a job, you're working professional and you want to get out of what you're doing right now to a full-time business where you are going to make good profits, I think you can start with an e-commerce business because it is easy to do business. You don't have to invest big amount of money in terms of starting a store or something. I'm not asking you to invest 50, 60 lakh rupees kind of money also. This is very basic in starting any business, right? So now let's explore how you can export bakery products from India and make actual 50, 60 lakhs every month without investing such amount of money. So this is Amazon.com, and you can see that Amazon has got 2000 sales of this product and then many products, 4000 sales, 2000 sales. I'm just talking about sales in the last 1 month, okay? 2000 people bought this, 3000 people bought this, 2000 sales, 10,000 sales at $12. Let's calculate. It's $1,20,000 value of sale in the last 1 month. So just think like, I don't know if everyone actually buys only the branded one. There are so many unbranded products also which are getting sold. For example, if you see this another website, Etsy.com, which is the global site, and if I'm searching about bakery items, you can see many of these products are listed here. And of course, these people are buying, and these are the good reviews, 13,700 reviews, $24 product, $3,700, 4.9 rating, and it is sold at $62, $82, 4.9 rating, 8.3. So bakery items, even items that you can eat, people are just exporting using e-commerce stores like this. And this is Lazada. This is Singapore's website. And here also you can see 1800 sold, 55,000 sold. That's a big number. 2300 sold. And this is just last month's number. This is Rakuten. This is another website of Japan. And this is another website for Dubai. This is Noon. And what you see here, these are the listing of products which are there in this. So I want you to get started with a plug-and-play ready-made e-commerce business. I'll give you a store builder. You can design the theme of your own. You can have your own domain name. This is my domain. And these are my products which are listed in this. I have about 8,000 products listed in my e-commerce store. These are my analytics for the last few months. I have made about $1 million plus in sales. I'm doing bulk B2B only. And I'm also going to give you a lot of these softwares and tools integrated into this e-commerce store. So everything is a part of the same program as a bundle I'm giving you. What I'm doing, no one is going to give you this at the price I'm giving. This is the business opportunity. This comes with guidance, mentorship. In terms of mentorship, I'm giving you everything here. What you're seeing right now, these are 17 different certifications as part of the bundle. These are courses, recorded courses, plus live classes, plus access of ebooks and white papers, case studies, infographics, and these 17 credible certifications, along with the live practical training. You will be learning how to upload the products into your e-commerce store, how to do digital marketing, and how to scale sales. I've got a good team of entrepreneurs who are also going to help you and assist you. So whether you're a student or working professional or you're a business owner, I think this plug-and-play ready-made business opportunity will give you a lot of support from our side. So here you see that all these things from e-commerce fundamentals, like the history, present, and the future of how to do online business, the website development, the day-to-day operations management, how to do exports, how to do drop shipping. I'm going to guide you and teach you everything from my side. Apart from that, you can see my own credibility in the work that I have done in my past. And these are some of the affiliations and credibilities of the brand that is Indian Institute of E-commerce. This is my profile. I worked with WTO. I worked with Amazon and Alibaba. I created programs for them. We have onboarded so many sellers and experts in Amazon and Alibaba. I'm currently working with Indian Institute of E-commerce as their chairman, and all these experts and mentors that you're seeing here are also having great credibility. And this Indian Institute of E-commerce is there since 2015. So 2015 till now, this Indian e-commerce has done a great amount of business. They have helped about 50,000 plus people to start their e-commerce businesses. There's a timeline and history of the entire work that is done by them. And now I'm just showing you the whole thing, that the store builder plus the mentorship plus the most important part is the plug and play e-commerce startup that I'm giving you. So this business which I'm giving you now will actually transform your life completely, because all these things what you're seeing right now, these candies and jellies, we can get it at very low price, 200-300 rupees, 400 rupees kg, not more than that in India. Very cheap. And I'm not talking about some bad quality thing. I'm talking about good one. For example, if you see this Bale candy, for example, you know that there are very good manufacturers who make sure that the credibility of their brand is there. So they will be making sure that the quality is maintained. And these products you can list into your e-commerce store, and we can start doing the exports in B2B. If somebody buys from you, they'll keep buying from you regularly, because bakery is such a kind of product which will always have demand. I'm not even saying that you have to sell on Amazon or in etsy.com or in these kind of websites. I want you to have your own domain name, like mine, for example. I have myself been doing sales. You can have your own domain name. You can have your own staff members who can join. You can directly collect payment in your own bank account. You can get the shipping done directly to the customers from your own warehouse. You can do it. You will have the complete functionality of all the search engine optimization, social media marketing, all that advertisement, whatever you want to do, everything you can do using your own branded e-commerce store, okay, which I'm giving you. So this manufacturers or suppliers of these products, we can list into the e-commerce store, and you can continue with the work that you're doing right now. If you're working, you can always recruit a few people in this business who can manage this business for you online. It's very easy to do. I just want you to take this action of starting a business by e-commerce, and export is very easy because people who buy from you, they'll buy in bulk only. You can also sell on marketplaces that I've told you, and you can also sell through your own e-commerce store. You can sell through Facebook and Instagram, and you can also sell through dealers and distributors in the international market. You can also sell in India if you want to, but I want you to start a business which you can do in e-commerce and especially exports, because the profitability is very good. You can make crores of rupees in this because the profit margin in exports of bakery item is very high. So what I'm giving you should cost at least 50-60 lakhs as a franchise if I give you. But here, since I'm running as a passion and I'm running this as part of Indian Institute of E-commerce, it's an initiative which is to make sure that more and more people from India are able to export. So we are giving you at cost to cost basis the store builder, the mentorship, the live classes, the recorded sessions, the software tools, and the database. Everything cost money. So whatever is the cost that we are charging and we are giving you, everything is a part of the package itself, so that you can simply get started with this plug and play ready-made e-commerce business, and you can get started with a career that can transform your financial life. So if you're currently stuck in a job, or you want to get out of that and you want to have some more time with your family, for yourself, I think starting your e-commerce business can give you that freedom that you always wanted. And it's a small amount of money that you're investing. You can actually sell this store to somebody else also, because the store will be live. You're investing some money. Maybe eventually, if you want to, value this business, we'll find out the valuation tool. Whatever the value is, you can sell this as a startup also. So this is like real estate. You're building the business, you're growing it, and you're making a few crore rupees and exiting this. So how is this? Tell me. And once you learn the art, then you'll be addicted to this, because it's not about selling snacks online or selling food products online or bakery items online. It's about building your e-commerce business, which can actually make a lot of profits for you. You can venture into many more businesses like this in future, because once you exit one startup, you'll be able to start more businesses like this. So we can have a long-term successful synergy. Together, we can do a lot of things. So I want you to join. I want you to take decision in joining the journey with me in doing e-commerce export business.